you have to come to the country to fully appreciate it. You have to try various restaurants, because even if you've tasted something once, don't mean to say it's the best. So go to different places, try it, compare it, and get the full experience of traditional Serbian food. I absolutely adore the fact that this is the first show ever in Belgrade, and what I can see is wonderful. You know, there's people there with real heart. People are interested in the seminars, which is great. Want to learn, want to grow, want to progress, and that is an important factor. The show that there's people willing tells me that this will continue to grow. It's a huge challenge. The globe is massive. If you have passion, you have financial backing, you have a quality product, you have a point of difference, that can be achieved.